In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a URL in Safari. This process will help you manage access to specific websites on your device, ensuring a safer browsing experience. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find this app on your home screen. It's represented by a gear icon. Tapping on it will take you to a menu where you can adjust various settings for your device. This is an essential first step because all the configurations you'll make to block a URL will happen within the Settings app. It's a hub for controlling your device's functionalities, including parental controls and privacy settings. Once you are in the settings, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, tap on Screen Time. This feature allows you to monitor and manage how much time you or your children spend on the device. It also provides options for restricting content and apps. By selecting Screen Time, you are opening up a range of tools to help you customize your browsing experience. This step is significant because it sets the stage for more specific restrictions, including blocking websites. When you tap this, you will see an overview of your screen time usage and various options related to it. After that, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it on. This option needs to be activated before you can make any changes to content restrictions. You will see a toggle switch at the top of the screen. Turning this on gives you control over what can be accessed on your device. This is important because it ensures that all the settings you will adjust next will be enforced. You'll notice that the screen changes slightly, indicating that the restrictions are now enabled. From there, tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games, followed by Web Content. This section provides specific options related to web browsing and content access on your device. It's crucial to navigate here because you will be focusing on web content restrictions, especially to block unwanted URLs. Once you are in this section, you are one step closer to blocking those websites you want to restrict. Now, select Limit Adult Websites. This choice allows you to restrict access to adult content and gives you the option to block specific sites as well. By choosing this option, you are preparing to customize the settings further. This is a practical choice for parents and guardians looking to create a safer online environment. When you select this, you will see further options to refine your content restrictions. Next, under Never Allow, tap Add Website. This is where you will enter the specific URL you want to block. By selecting this option, you are indicating that there are certain websites that should not be accessed at all. It is crucial to use this feature effectively to ensure unwanted content is filtered out. This action allows you to take control and customize your browsing experience according to your needs. After that, enter the URL you want to block. For example, you might type in example.com. It's important to enter the URL correctly to ensure it is blocked successfully. Double-checking your entry will help avoid any mistakes. You will see the URL you entered appear on the screen, confirming that you are on the right track. This step is vital because it directly dictates which website access will be restricted. Finally, tap Done. This action saves the changes you have made and confirms that the URL is now blocked. You should see a confirmation indicating that your settings have been saved. This is reassuring because it means the website is officially restricted and you can rest easy knowing unwanted content will not be accessible. Safari will block access to that website. You can repeat these steps to block additional URLs. This flexibility allows you to customize your browsing experience even further. As a quick tip, consider setting a screen time passcode. This step is essential to prevent others from removing the blocked URLs or changing the restrictions you've set. By doing this, you secure your settings and maintain control over what can be accessed on your device. And that's it. You now know how to block a URL in Safari. Enjoy a safer browsing experience.